Hello again. Welcome back. I'm still working on this bridge installation. It sure would have been easier if I had built this into the layout when I started. But, things happen. You can't go back in time. The situation this morning is that I have the structure done, as you can see. Last week, I shimmed it temporarily in place. Today, I want to measure for the bridge abutments and get those made up. When that is done, I want to permanently install the track into its final position. With any luck, I can then victoriously run a train or two across the bridge. In fact, let's skip to that right now. Okay, confessions. I want to admit up front that this has not gone as smoothly as you might think. Even with all my concerns and planning, I got the track spacing wrong on the bridge. I don't know how it happened. Dyslexia, stupidity, I have no excuse. Another unanticipated problem I never considered is that the tracks on the layout are not even vertically track to track. There was no need for it until now. The bridge deck, however, is perfect. It's level. Each track is at the exact same height all the way across. I'm going to have to ramp the tracks up and down with small pieces of card to meet the solid bridge deck. It won't look that great, but it will work, and the ballast will hide the card bits. If the bridge deck had been a solid ballasted bridge deck, I could have absorbed the vertical ambiguities quite easily, but it won't be. It's not going to be. I don't want it to be. The other thing is, the original track on the incline where the bridge sits now was straight. And evenly spaced. Due to my incompetence, it was now going to be uneven with wows and wiggles so that the tracks can move over and meet the bridge. If it wasn't for the tunnel at the bottom of the hill, I could rip all that track out and lay it straight. But with the tunnel there, I can't get to a bunch of the track, a couple 3 feet of track I can't get to. I can't change that part. I would still have wiggles in the track. I decided just to leave it alone for now, not worry about it, and move on. Get the job done, get trains running, and have some fun. You know, the best laid plans of mice and men, etc. Next, I'm going to do the bridge piers, or abutments. The bridges, of course, temporarily blocked up to the correct height. So I'll measure that this morning, and I will go out to the shop and build solid wood abutments. These solid wood pieces I will cover with stone paper, so I'll go do that. Let's test it.